In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block or unblock Facebook friends. Blocking is a helpful way to quickly stop someone from seeing or interacting with your profile, posts, and messages. And if you ever change your mind, unblocking is just as straightforward. I'll walk you through both step by step so you know exactly where to tap and what to expect. To block a friend, start by opening their profile. On the profile page, look for the three dots menu near the top. Tap or click that menu and choose block. Facebook will show a brief summary of what blocking does, including that the person won't be able to see your posts, tag you, message you, or add you as a friend. Confirm the action to finalize the block. That's it. This is immediate and is often the quickest way to protect your space when you need it. Remember, blocking is stronger than unfriending. It prevents contact and visibility, not just the connection. If you want to unblock someone, you'll do that from your settings. Open Facebook, go to Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. In the Settings menu, find the section called Audience and Visibility and choose Blocking. This area is where Facebook keeps all your block controls in one place. Next, go to Block Profiles and Pages and press Edit. This opens more detailed controls so you can manage who you've blocked. Here, select See Your Blocked List. You'll now see a list of profiles and pages you've blocked. Find the person you'd like to allow back and select Unblock. A small dialog will appear with information about what unblocking means. Facebook will remind you that unblocking allows the person to see your profile again depending on your privacy settings, and they'll be able to message you. It also notes that unblocking does not automatically add the person back as a friend. If you want to reconnect, you'll need to send a new friend request afterwards. Confirm the unblock to finish. A couple of helpful tips as you use these controls. Blocking is private. The other person doesn't get a notification that you blocked or unblocked them. After unblocking, there may be a short period before you can block the same person again, so be sure you're ready to proceed. And interfaces can vary slightly between mobile and desktop, but the labels you're looking for, settings and privacy, settings, audience and visibility, and blocking, are consistent. That's the full process for blocking and unblocking on Facebook. Clear, quick, and fully in your control.